Right, take care. That is a trigonometric functions topic 3.2 exercise introduction part now. Okay, now take care. That is a unit circle now. Right, the radius r is equals to here how many unit? 1 unit now. Right, now the given figure is what here? That is r is equals to 1 centimeter, that is 1 unit radius of a circle now. Right, here the radius of circle is equals to how many units? That is a 1 unit now. Right, 1 unit. No doubt this one is what here? Origin now. Got origin. Next one, the point P on what here? Circle here. Okay, the point P is nothing but what here? That is the coordinate of the point now. Okay, point P na enantini coordinate of point something. Right, or maybe some another word is that is a polar form now. Right, this one is what here? Coordinate of the points now. Coordinate of the point. What are the points here? R cos theta and R sin theta is a point now. Right, that is theta makes and what here? Positive angles from the what on x axis now. Take this one, this is the x axis. Okay, this one is what here? Y axis now. Y axis. Right, in concept vardanagili, that is the radius of the circle is equals to how many units? 1 unit. The second point is what here? The angle makes positive angles now. Theta makes that is a positive angles now. Positive angles here. Theta makes which angles? Positive angles. The third point is what here? The coordinate of the points are that is r cos theta and that is r sin theta is the coordinate of the what points now. Right, next one the sum, that is the sum trigonometric functions are said to be what here? Circular functions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Trigonometric functions ನ ಏನಂತೀನಿ? Circular functions ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Right, next one now see here, we know that take care all are what here? 1 unit, that is 1 centimeter in a graph now, Cartesian plane. Right, what is the coordinate of the point? This one 1 comma 0, x value is 1, that is y value is 0 here. Next here the x value is 0, that is y value is 1 here. Same as it is here x value is minus 1, y value is 0. Here x value is 0, y value is what here? Minus 1. These are the what here? Points, coordinate of the points now. Right, right, first coordinate of the point is 1 comma 0, second coordinate of the point is 0 comma 1, minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 1. These are the what? 4 coordinate of the points now. Right, take all the coordinate of the points in this figure here. Okay, no doubt it is the 1 unit radius of a circle. It is 1 unit, it is also 1 unit, it is also 1 unit, it is also 1 unit. Radius of the circle is what? 1 unit only now. Now then what is the coordinate of the point? This one here 1 comma 0, this one is 0 comma 1. Take name here, it is a b of what here? That is 0 comma 1. Okay, next the c is what here? Minus 1 comma 0. Okay, d1 is what? 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 1. These are the what? Coordinate of the points in the figure here. Okay, next one the theta makes and what here? Positive angles of the what on x axis now. Positive angles on what here? X axis. What are the meaning of positive angles? The revolving line is moved towards anti-clockwise direction, then forms a positive angles. If the revolving line is moved towards a clockwise direction, then it forms which angles? Negative angles now. Right, here no doubt the OP is that is a revolving line here. The revolving line is moved towards which direction here? Anti-clockwise direction. So no doubt which forms which angles? Positive angles now. Positive angles. Right, before that we know that this one is the what here? Initial point now, starting point. Correct? Okay, it is how many degree here? This one is 0 degree. Correct? 0 degree now. Okay, now take here OP is a line here, revolving line. OP idr mele ittante itkori, how many degree here? That is 0 degree. Right, move towards anti-clockwise direction now. Take here the OP line is on B now. Illo nindruttade ivaga ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 90 degree now. Okay, which 90 degree? Plus 90 degree now. 90 degree in radians pi by 2. Pi by 2 radians, that is nothing but what here? 90 degree. Okay, suppose the OP line is revolving okay, is on this point now. C point is on C point, then it makes how many angles? 180 degree now. 180 degree, kata 180 degree, tell me in radian, that is a pi radians now. Pi radian, right? Next one here, the OP is revolving line and is on the point D, then it becomes how many degree? 270 degree now. 270 degree. 270 degree in a radian, that is 3 pi by 2 radian. Pi by 2 meaning 90. 93 is a 270 degree now, right? Same as it is, the revolving line is takes one complete revolution. Okay, it becomes what here? 360 degree now. 360 degree in radian, how many radians? 2 pi radians now. 2 pi radians. Okay, na yen mala try malatini, a revolving line enada rotations ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೊಂಟಿನಿ ಹೆಂಗ anti clockwise now. Then it makes which angles? Positive angles now. Correct? Here 0 degree, 90 degree, that is pi by 2, 180 degree pi, that is 270 degree, 3 pi by 2, and complete one complete revolution, then it becomes 2 pi now. 2 pi. Okay, suppose the OP is the line segment, takes again second revolution now. ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದ? ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 pi ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 pi. Next take it is 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi, 9 pi, and so on now, right? Okay, next one here, the P is what here? The coordinate of the point now. Okay, R is a radius of the circle. What is the how many radius? What is the R is equals to how many centimeter? 1 centimeter. So therefore R into 1 into cos theta, 1 into sin theta, that is sin theta only now. Correct? Now take here, the point P is cos theta and the point P is what? That is sin theta now, right? R into cos theta, 1 into cos theta only, 1 into sin theta only. So therefore replace RR and take that is cos theta and sin theta now. Okay, ನಾ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೊಂಟಿದ, ಇದು ರಿವಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಹಾಕತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. ಈ ರಿವಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ ನಿಂತಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ ನಿಂತಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, whatever it is, right? Next the point P is on B now. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತದು? 90 degree now. Correct? Now the theta is equals to how many degree? 90 degree now. No doubt it is 90 degree. Okay, suppose the OP is on here, then what is the theta? 0 degree. Correct? Okay, theta ಏನೇನು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗತ್ತವ ಅದು ಬರಿಲಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. Correct? If the P is on a point, then how many degree? 0 degree. Correct? Now here the point P is cos 0 and sin 0, right? ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದ್ರೆ cos 0 sin 0, right? Same as it is, now take the point P is on B now, then it becomes how many degree? 90 degree now. Tell me in radian, it becomes cos pi by 2 comma, that is sin pi by 2 now. Sin pi by 2 now, right? Pi by 2 meaning that is 90 degree only now, right? Same as it is, the point P is on C now, it becomes how many degree? 180 degree. Write down in radian form now, it becomes what here? It becomes cos pi comma sin pi now. Sin pi, right? Next the point P is on D point, then the points are the angles are what here? The cos of 3 pi by 2, okay, sin of what here? 3 pi by 2 now. 3 pi by 2, right? Take one complete revolution, then it becomes 360 degree. 360 degree is nothing but how many radians? 2 pi radians now. Take this point P is cos 2 pi comma, that is sin 2 pi now. Sin 2 pi, right? ನೀ ಹಿಂಗೆ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ರೈಟ್? ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹೊಂಟದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ and their values here. Okay, and values now. Okay, see here, at x is equals to 0, at x is equals to 0, at x equals to 0 ala. Okay, what are the coordinates of the points here at x equals to 0? Coordinates are coordinates are at x equals to 0 degree, the coordinates are, what are the coordinates there? Cos 0 comma sin 0 at okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತಾಗ ಅದು cos 0 sin 0 ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? What is the coordinate at the point here? 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 now. Take care, that is a 1 comma 0 now. Right? ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದು ಇವಾಗ cos 0 sin 0 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದು. What is the cos 0? 1. sin 0 0. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? 1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದು ನಂಗೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಂದ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಇವಾಗ. ರೈಟ್? ಈ ನಾ ಏನು ಟ್ರೈ ಈ ಫಿಗರ್ಸ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಳಕಂದ್ರ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ನಾಗ ಬರೀ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತನಕ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತದಂದ್ರ 180 270 360 ಅಂಡ್ 360 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ. ನಂಗೆ ಇದೇನದ cos 0 is 1 sin 0 is what? Cos 0 is 1 sin 0 is that is 0 now. ಇದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇಂದ ಅದ. Now at x is equals to pi by 2 radian now. Pi by 2 radian meaning 90 degree here. 90 degree. Then the coordinate of the points are. Then the coordinate of the points are what here? Cos pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 here. Cos pi by 2 sin pi by 2 now. Cos pi by 2 meaning 90 degree. Sin pi by 2 is nothing but what here? Again sin 90 degree now. Cos 90 sin 90. Okay. What is the coordinate of the point here? 0 comma 1 now. 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 now. Okay. Check ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. See now. What is the cos 90? 0. What is the sin 90? 1. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಂದ ಅದ. Right? Now go forward here. At the point at x is equals to pi now. Pi radians. Pi radians meaning how many degree? 180 degree now. Okay. At the theta x is on pi. Okay. Then coordinate of the point is cos pi and sin pi now. Okay. What is the coordinate of the point there? Minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0. Right. Suppose if the x is on here, then what is the x and take it is theta now. Take it is the theta. Okay. It is theta and this one is the theta now. Okay. At the theta is equals to 3 pi by 2 now. 3 pi by 2 meaning 270 degree now. Okay. If the angle is 3 pi by 2 radian, then coordinate of the points like that cos 3 pi by 2 and sin 3 pi by 2 now. Sin 3 pi by 2 is equals to, that is 0 comma minus 1 now. 0 comma minus 1. Okay. At the point at theta is equals to, that is 1 complete revolution, it becomes 2 pi radians now. Okay. 2 pi radians, then the coordinate of the points are cos, what is the cos 2 pi and sin 2 pi now. Okay. What is the coordinate of the point here? That is 1 comma 0 here. 1 comma 0 now. 1 comma 0. Right? It becomes 1 complete revolution. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನದ 1 comma 0 ಅದ. ರೈಟ್? ನನಗೇನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? See here, cos 0 value 1, sin 0 value 0, cos 90 0, sin 90 1, cos 180 degree now. Cos 180 degree minus 1, sin 180 0, cos 270 0, sin 270 minus 1, cos 360 1, cos sin 360 0. This one is what here? Angles now. Right? Next point na inondu ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ದ? The trigonometric functions are said to be what here? That is a circular functions now. ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ರೊಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. one revolution it becomes 360 degree now. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ ನಂಗೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ 400 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ go for what here? Second revolution ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅಂತೀನಿ that is a circular functions now. Circular functions now. Right? Next one here, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ. See here, on x axis, on x axis, on x axis, right? On x axis. ಓಕೆ. ಏನು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಲಕ್ಕ ಅದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಮಾಲೇ ಅದ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ವೆರಿ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅದ. ರೈಟ್? on x axis now. Okay, on x axis that is sin theta is equals to 0. ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ನಾಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾವತ್ತು ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಲತ್ತದ, ಝೀರೋನೇ ಬರ್ತದ. ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಯರ್ ಇದು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಇದು ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸೈನ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸೈನ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸೈನ್, ಕಾಸ್ ಸೈನ್. But first value is always cos value, the second value is what, sin value now. Okay, see now it is a which axis here, x axis. Now x axis naga sin think madam, this one is a sin 0, here 0. x axis na sin theta value ಏನು ಬರ್ಲತ್ತದ, always 0 ಬರ್ಲತ್ತದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರೀಲಿ, that is a here the theta is equals to what is the first one, the 0 radian, ಆಮೇಲೆ pi ಬಂತು, pi ಅದ. One complete revolution it becomes a 2 pi. Take one again, one revolution, half revolution 3 pi, 2 revolution it becomes a 4 pi. Okay, next 5 pi. Okay, and so on. That is a sin theta is always what here, 0 now, 0. Right, ನನಗೇನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ, 0 degree, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi, and so on. The always sin theta value is 0. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. Sin of what here, 10 pi value 0, because that 10 pi value is 0, right? And ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ, that is here the theta is what here, the theta is that is theta is equals to what here, n pi now. Integral multiple of what, pi now. Here the theta is said to be a integral multiple of what, pi now. Here n is belongs to, that is a integer. N is belongs to integer. Integer meaning it includes positive as well as negative numbers. Now bari na positive discuss malatini, not a negative. Okay, next one, the take on y axis here, on y axis, on y axis. Okay, on y axis what is the information there, cos theta is equals to 0. y ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ನಡೆದ ಗೊತ್ತದ, y ದಾಗ x ನಾಗ sin theta 0 ಇದ್ರ y ದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಏನ್ 0 ಆಲತ್ತದ, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ cos theta 0 ಆಲತ್ತದ. Right, this one is a cos value, first value is cos value, here the first value is also cos value. Right, on the y axis cos theta is 0, on x axis sin theta is 0 now. Okay, now take here on y axis here, on y axis cos theta is equals to 0. What is the angles now? ಇಲ್ಲಿ angles ಗಳು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ angles ಗಳು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಈಗ 0, 180, 360 ಮತ್ತ 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ these are the what here, integral multiple of what, pi now. Right, simple matter ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ. 0, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi. In this case always the sin theta value is 0. Right, on y axis the cos theta is 0 now. Take observe, that is a y axis now. Right, this one, this cos value, it is sin value, cos value, sin value now. See here, always the first value is 0. The first value is nothing but what, which function there, cos function there. So therefore on y axis the cos theta is equals to 0 now. Right, all angles ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾವ, ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ತಾವ, 90, 270 plus matta 90 plus 90 and so on now. Correct? Al heng baritina, here the thetas are what, like that. That is see now what is the first one value there, pi by 2 now, pi by 2, pi by 2. This one value is 3 pi by 2. Correct? That is 3 pi by 2 now, 3 pi by 2. Okay, again idu rotations ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದ, 5 pi by 2 ಆಗ್ತದ, 5 pi by 2 now. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ರಿ, it is 7 pi by 2 now. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 9 pi by 2, 11 pi by 2, 13 pi by 2, 15 pi by 2, 17 pi by 2, 19 pi by 2 and so on now. Right, so therefore here pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2 and so on. In these cases the sin theta, cos theta value is 0. Cos theta value is 0 now. Right, take here theta now. Theta ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ, the theta is what here, ಇದೇನ್ ಬರ್ದೇನಾಗಿಲಿ, integral. Here n theta is equals to n pi, this one is what, integral. Okay, integral multiple of pi now. Integral multiple of what? Pi now. Integral multiple of pi. Okay. This one is what here? Odd multiple of pi by 2 now. This one is nothing but what here? Odd multiple of pi by 2 now. Odd multiple of what? Pi by 2 now. Odd multiple of pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗದ? Odd numbers check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 1 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2 ಎಂತ ಬರ್ಲತ್ತಾವಲ್ಲಿ? Odd multiple of what here? Pi by 2 now. Odd multiple of what? Pi by 2. That is theta is equals to, write down in general form, odd multiple of pi by 2 is nothing but what here? That is a 2n plus 1 into pi divided by 2 is a odd multiple of what here? Pi by 2. No doubt here again, that is n is belongs to which number? Integer only. N is belongs to integer now. See here, take it is a n is equals to 1, 2 1 ja, take n is equals to first one 0 here, 2 zeros are 0, 1 into pi 1 pi by 2. Take it is a 2 now, 2 now, take 1 now. Okay, 2 1 2 plus 1 3, take 2, 2 2 4 plus 1 5, take 3, 2 3 6 plus 1 7. This one is what? A general form, that is a theta is equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 now, right? Ist information hola tab. Okay, here the theta is a which angles? That is a positive angles now. ಏನು ನಡೆದದ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? theta ಏನು ನಡೆದದ? Positive angles ನಡೆದದ. Okay, next one is now take care, in the place of cos theta and sin theta, that is a and b now. Okay, take this one is that is a comma b. Okay, this one is also what here? A comma b now. Okay, wait ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, new figure draw ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Right, see here, the theta is makes which angles now? That is a positive angles now. The revolving line is moved towards which directions? Anti-clockwise directions, then it forms a positive angles now, right? Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ? ಬರೀ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ angles ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ angles ಹೆಂಗವಲ್ಲಿ? that is a plus 90, plus 180, plus 270, plus 360. Again it makes completely positive angles now, right? Take care, if the revolving line is moved towards what here? Anti-clockwise direction now. Clockwise direction, then it forms which angles? Negative angles. Yav angle bandhigili? Minus theta. Now this one is plus theta. What is the coordinate of the point here? Same only. That is p of cos theta and that is a sin theta here. P of cos theta and the sin theta now. ಇಷ್ಟು ತನ ಎದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ angles ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. Right, now take care, that is a negative angles now, right? Here this one is a, again take it is p now. The revolving line is moved towards a clockwise direction. Okay, the point p is on a d now. What is how many degree? How many degree? This one is a plus 90. This one is what here? Minus 90 degree now. Minus 90 degree. Clear? Okay, ಇದು revolving line ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತು? ಇದು rotation ಹಾಕೋತಾ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Then becomes how many degree here? Minus 90 degree. Minus 90 degree now. Right? Okay, see here, minus 90 degree now. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಲಿ, take care, minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2. Right? Okay. Now, if the point P is on C, then how many degree? Minus 180 degree now. Minus 180 degree. That is minus 180. That is minus pi now. Minus pi. Minus pi. Right? If the point is on B now, it becomes how many degree? Minus 270 degree. Minus 270 in radian. That is minus 3 pi by 2 now. Minus 3 pi by 2. Right? Take one complete revolution, reverse clockwise revolution, it becomes how many degree? Minus 2 pi radian. Minus 2 pi radian now. Okay, ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? See now, okay, plus 90 degree and minus 270 degree is on same point. 90 270 is on same point now. This one is what here? Plus 180 degree and minus 180 degree is on what? Same point now. Right? Okay, same as it is here, plus 270 degree and minus 90 degree is on what here? Same point here. Same point. Right? And ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? See here, what are the coordinate of the points? ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ coordinate of the points ಹೆಂಗ ಅಥವಾ cos of what here? That is a cos of what? Minus 90. Sin of what here? Minus 90. Correct? Cos of minus 90 degree? 0. Sin of minus 90? Minus 1. Minus 1. Ill bar. Same as it is. What are the coordinate of the points? If the clockwise direction is the point P is on C now, then it becomes how many radian? Minus pi radian ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಅಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗದ? cos minus 180, sin minus 180. cos minus 180 degree is minus 1, sin minus 180 degree is 0. Right? Go for what? The point P is on B now. Illada. The angle makes how many radian here? Minus 3 pi by 2 radian now. That is minus 270 degree now. Right? See now, minus cos of minus 270 degree 0. Right? Sin of minus 270 degree 1. Here? Okay. Now take one complete clockwise, one revolution here. Complete revolution. Then it becomes how many radians? Minus 2 pi radian. Minus 2 pi radian. Then what are the values here? Cos of minus 2 pi 1. Sin of minus 2 pi 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ ಅಲತ್ತ ಗೊತ್ತದ? ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಲ್ಲತ್ತಾವ? ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲತ್ತಾವ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಏನಂತೀನಿ, ದೀಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ. ನಾವ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ನಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇವಾಗ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಯರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 0 pi 2 pi 3 pi 4 pi and 5 pi ಅದ. ಇದು ಇದೇನದ ಈಗಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬರ್ದೇನಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾ ಈಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರ್ದಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋರಿ, ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಸಿ ನಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ 0. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅವರಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅವರಿ. ಈಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಸಿಯರ್ ಸೈನ್ 90 0, ಸಾರಿ ಸೈನ್ 180 0. This one is sin value. Sin 180 0. Minus sin 180 0. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 pi ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 pi, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 pi, plus or minus 5 pi and so on. Here that is theta is equals to what here? That is plus or minus n pi. N is belongs to z ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳದನ. Z is nothing but what here? Negative ನು ಬಂದು ಇವಾಗ. Always 0 here. Sin value is 0. That is on which axis? X axis now. On y axis the cos theta is equals to 0. No doubt here take the negative angles now. It is plus or minus pi by 2. Plus or minus 3 pi by 2, plus or minus 5 pi by 2, plus or minus 7 pi by 2 and so on. No doubt here that is theta is equals to what here? Plus or minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 is always cos theta value is what here? Always 0. This one is that is a odd multiple of pi by 2 now. Odd multiple of what here? That is pi by 2 now. Okay. Right. ಇವಾಗ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೀ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡೆದವು. ಏನಂತ ಬರೀ ಹೆವಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ 1,0 ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇತ್ತು. 0,1. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? -1,0. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ 0,-1 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಪೂರ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ದ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ದೀಸ್ 4 ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಲತ್ತದ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಏನೂ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್. Now tell me what is the cos 0 there? Cos 0 1. Correct? Cos 90 0. Cos 180 minus 1. Cos 270. Cos 360 1. Correct? That is a 1 now. Right? ಹೆಂಗೆ angles ಗಳು ಬರ್ಲತ್ತಾವ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Now see here that is cos 0 0. Cos 0 0. Cos 90 that is cos pi by 2, that is a 0. Sorry, cos 0 1. Cos 90 0 here. Again take care, this value is what here? Cos that is a pi now. Cos pi value -1. Okay. Cos 2 pi 3 pi by 2 value, 3 pi by 2 value is what here? 0. Okay, cos of what here? 1 complete revolution 2 pi, it becomes again 1 now. Rotations ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಏನಿರ್ತದ 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, same. All the values what here? ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 now. Right? Next one, take what is the sign 0 there? Sign 0 is equals to 0. Okay. Next, sign of pi by 2, that is a 1 now. Okay. Sign of what? Pi, that is a 0. Okay. Sign of what here? That is 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2, that is a minus of 1 now. Okay. Sign of 2 pi, that is a 0 now. 0. Sign of 2 pi is a 0. Right. Suppose ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ದಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವತ್ತೇನಾಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ, ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋಣ, ಅದ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ, ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 10 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ? 10 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. 10 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ನನಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 10 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವ. ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ xx ನಾವು, xx. Right? Sin 10 degrees what here? ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದ, ನನಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ what is the sin 370 degree now? Same value ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕ ಇಲ್ಲ, now this one is 10 degree now, 10 degree. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 360 ಆಯ್ತು. 370 ಅಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು? ಇದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ. 10 degree and 370 degree both are what here? Same point now. Correct? Suppose this, it is a 20 degree now. 20 degree matta ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 380 degree. Both the values are what here? Same values now. Because the point is on what? The coordinate of the point P is on what here? Same point. Same point. That is a ಅದಕ್ಕೆನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಅವರು? That is a circular functions now. Circular functions now. Repetitions ಹಾಕೋತಾನೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದ? ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತದ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ 1 ನಾವ್. ಬಟ್ ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಆರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ನಾ ಎ ಕಾಮ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. What is the meaning of A here? Cos theta. What is the meaning of B here? That is a sin theta. Sin theta here. Sin theta. Sin theta. Right? Okay. Now take here. Draw a perpendicular line on what here? Radius now. This one is OA here. OA. This part is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಾಳ confusion ಆತಂತ ಹೊರತೆಗಿಲತ್ತೀನಿ. That is OA now. Okay. Take here. Draw a perpendicular line on what here? OA now. Perpendicular line on what here? OA now. ಇಲ್ಲಿ perpendicular line draw ಮಾಡೀನಿ. Now take this one as a name M now. M. Right? This one OM is a A and OPM is what here? PM is a B now. Okay. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಏನಂತೀನಿ? A units. This one is what here? B units now. A is nothing but what? Cos theta. B is nothing but what here? Sin theta. Apply the what here? Pythagoras theorem now. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem statement? Hypotenuse square is equals to, in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equals to the sum of the square of other two sides is a statement of what? Pythagoras theorem now. Write down in mathematically, hypotenuse square is equals to what? Opposite square. Okay, plus of what here? Adjacent square now. Adjacent square. Okay. Adjacent square or okay, adjacent square. Hypotenuse square, what is the OP now? Hypotenuse on level bantigili. OP is a hypotenuse now. OP is equals to how many centimeter? OP is equals to how many units? 1 unit. Reason na unit circle tonin. The radius of the circle is how many units? 1 unit is a standard now. No doubt this one is a 1 unit now. Right? Take a hypotenuse square is nothing but what here? That is a 1 square. 1 square. 1 square. Right? Opposite, that is what is the opposite here? Opposite is a B. This one is what here? Opposite is a B side. Adjacent is what here? A side now. This one is B. This one is A. Opposite is a b square plus adjacent is what here? A square. Right? Okay. Now what is the value of 1 square? 1 only. B square is nothing but cos square theta. B square is nothing but what here? That is a sine square theta now. Take it is a sine square theta. Sine square theta. Plus a square is nothing but what here? Cos square theta now. See here, that is a sine square theta plus cos square theta is what here? 1 now. So therefore, what is the value here? Sine square theta plus of what here? Cos square theta value is a 1 now. This is the what? Pythagoras theorem statement ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನದು? cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to what here? 1 now. Okay. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ಇವಾಗ 370 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು 10 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ? ಸೇಮೇ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ. 380 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ 20 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಾವು. ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇವಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ನ್ಯೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳು ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವೇನು 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, 360 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಹೋಗೋರಿ ಅವಾಗ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದ? ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ನಾವು. ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು. ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.